Hello friend, now we are going to start the zygote. So zygote is nothing, it is just a fertilized egg. When the fertilization takes place in egg or female gametes by the spermatozoon or spermatozoa, so the result to form a zygote through the process of fertilization. So fertilization is nothing, it is just a fusion of the two opposite gametes. So male gametes and female gametes fuse to each other, or fusion, it means it is a complete fusion of the both nuclei of two opposite gametes. So here is the formation of the zygote takes place and zygote. So this is the zygote stage, and division and differentiation takes place in zygote to produce the early embryo, and then it form the embryo and turn into the, in human it turn into fetus, and development and fetus to form organ and organ system, and then the miniature starts. So this is the process of the development process. So developmental process start in the zygote. So we have to discuss about the in human. So zygote, so division start in zygote is called cleavage. So in human there are two types of the plates. So there are two types of cleavage, holoblastic cleavage and meroblastic cleavage. So in holoblastic, complete furrow is formed. So complete division takes place in zygote or fertilized egg. Complete division means it is the animal pole and vegetal pole. So it is the anterior and posterior. So complete division, if complete division occurs, that cleavage is called holoblastic. So in holoblastic there is a subdivision start. So when the cleavage passes through the central axis is called meridional, and which passes through the just beside the center axis is called vertical, and when the cleavage start through the equatorial plane, which divide into two equal half is called equatorial, and just above and below the equatorial plane it is just a latitudinal. So here is the four types of holoblastic cleavage. So in this diagram we already shown here types of cleavage: meroblastic, vertical cleavage, equatorial cleavage and latitudinal cleavage. So here is the latitudinal. Equatorial passes through the midline, meridional passes through the center axis, and just beside the center axis it is vertical cleavage. So this is the type, and another type is meroblastic cleavage. So in meroblastic cleavage, so furrow takes place and cleavage takes place on the at superficial level. So here is the superficial because it's occur in the megalethal egg. So megalethal, it means high amount of yolk present. So yolk, it's prevent the formation of the complete formation. So cleavage occurs at the superficial level, that is called discoidal cleavage. This is the discoidal structure. So in below yolks are present, but in human alethal egg is present. So little amount of yolk, so complete furrow or complete division of the egg to produce the two cells, then 4, 8, 16. So these are so in human meridional, first and second cleavage is meridional. First is passed through vertical, passing through the axis, meridional axis. So first and two meridional, and third one is equatorial. So this is the formation of the cells, and multiplied cells is called blastomere. Multiplied cells is called blastomere. So here is the diagram where the process or early development takes place. It is the system of the whole female reproductive system. So here is the ovary. So ovary egg produce, so egg release through ovulation, which is received through the fallopian tube. So anterior part of the fallopian tube is called infundibulum, which having the finger-like projection and receive, and then ova pass to the fallopian tube and reach to the ampulla and isthmus junctions, where the male gametes coming and fertilization takes place. So in this junction ampulla and isthmus, at the junction of isthmus, so fertilization takes place. So fertilized egg form here after fertilization, after 30 hours of fertilization, first division takes place. That first division is called cleavage. So first, and then the 40 hours of fertilization, second division start. So there are the 4 cells, 4, then 8 and 16. So 16 to 64 stages, a cells division divided continuously a form. So these cells are called blastomeres, and blastomere cells form a mulberry shaped structure. That structure is called morula. So morula would be formed in 3 to 4 days after fertilization. So morula, a ball like structure is formed, and then the morula turned into the another structure which is single layered cells is called blastula. And blastula next turn to form or having a cavity is formed. This structure is called blastocyst. So here is the blastula and this is the blastocyst. So blastocyst too having two parts. First, the outer layer is called trophoblast cells and inner cell mass. So a trophoblast will further develop into extraembryonic membrane, and the inner cell mass is the future embryo, and this cavity is called blastocyst. Blastocyst. Okay, this is blastocyst, and then the blastocyst get embedded. So trophoblast of blastocyst get embedded deep into the endometrium. So so fix the blastocyst into the endometrium. That process is called implantation. So implantation takes place on 7th day, and during implantation a finger like projection emerges from trophoblast by the secretion of the enzyme. At that time zona pellucida get dissolved. And form a villi like structure, that is called chronic villi, and for later it will develop into placenta. So this is the placenta for the supply of nutrition, gases and other, and it controls the whole physiology of fetus. So this is the early development process. So it is the early embryonic development takes place inside the female reproductive system, mainly in fallopian tube as well as and uterus. So this is all about related to the early development of fertilized egg. So okay, thank you.